guys, I hope you're all keeping safe and staying home and keeping well, keeping yourselves motivated and inspired. I'm just going to show you a quick technique. All you need is the hair, one elastic band, which I've already placed in, and a grip, or worst case another elastic band at the end. It's a really simple technique, and it's called the Chinese ladder braid, and it's really quite fun to do and easy. So you start by taking a small section. You can choose either the left side or the right side. I do the right because it just feels more natural. And you're going to spin it around underneath the ponytail. Keep it nice and smooth. You may want to use some smoothing products on it as well, just to keep the cuticles smooth. Use your two fingers and then pull it through and tie it, create a knot. Okay, get that nice and tight. This is only my second time doing this actually, so then you take another small piece from the same side, join it to your original one, and then repeat. Pull through, and knot. Repeat the same, take another small section, take it underneath, loop through, and pull. This dolly's hair is not the best, it's quite synthetic and not very smooth. I attempted curling it yesterday and that was a bit unsuccessful. And then you basically just continue all the way down in this same formation. Take another small section. Like I say, you can put a smoothing product on. Pull through. And continue on down.